Welcome to Port Royal here at Mangnao. Grabe kainit. Very nice here, guys. And the entrance fee is 200 pesos per person. And for kids, 3-year-old below is 150 pesos. It's pretty nice. Nindot kayo siya, mga bebe. Yeah. Init dia ma, ayaw dia ma, ari lang ma, lalong rama. Kasas ma dear, haman sila oy, waman lagi sila. Ma. Ali oy, tawa na drive na yung anak. Ga-drive na matbe. Hala, mudagan na ron, hala. Hala. Unya mabasa. Gani, mabasa unya. Naris landong. Ikaw, 1, 2, 3, anak.
Abot na.
Tuwalya ay pa gidala ni mo tuwalya na yo, tuwalya ron kapahid.
Isa ha? Basa John.
Itugnaw na, itugnaw na.
Hello, Ham. Okay, let's go into. Gay. You wanna do again and again the sliding. And also, yeah, we had fun here. Oh, look at that! Nanay mom. Woo! Very nice. The entrance here is 200 pesos for adults. And we're not renting any kind of cottage. So they have also their canteen for everybody. Like that. And it's safe as well because they have like this kind of guy who is going to watch all the people who is doing a swim. And some Americans are doing a swim there as well. That there. That's a big slide. And for kids, kind of entrance fee is 150 pesos. So yeah, my sister is having fun though. And me too, we really had fun here. So look at that.